So let us do very last example on this section. Okay, guys. So the last example is this. So let me write down that example. So find all points on the circle's equation is x squared plus y squared equals to 1, where the slopes is 5/12. So basically you are trying to find out all the points in the circle where the slopes are equal to 5/12. Okay, so in the circle there may be more than one point where the slopes are equal to that value. Okay, so we'll try to find out that. So how do I find out? Is I will find out the slope from here, the derivative, and equal to 5/12, and then find out the point. Okay, that's basically what we are doing here. So solution is basically what we do, we differentiate. When you differentiate, you will write d over dx x squared plus d over dx y squared equals to d over dx. So basically, you know, in case of the implicit differentiation, it is easier if you write d over dx form instead of prime. Okay, so this will be 2x plus this will be 2y and then y prime. You can write y prime later, or you can keep dy over dx, that's fine. So equals to 0. So if you simplify this, what do you get? You get subtract 2x on both sides, 2x minus 2x, that will cancel out, right? So what you get is 2y and then y prime equals to negative 2x. Divide by 2y, 2y, right? So what do you get? You will get y prime equals to negative x over y. But you want to find out all the points. Y prime equals to 5/12, right? So what is y prime? Negative x over y equals to 5/12. You see that? So if you multiply by y on both sides, what do you get? Multiply by y, that will cancel out, right? And then multiply by y. So what you get is negative x equals to 5y/12. So what is x? Basically x is negative 5y/12. This is the x value, but we need the points. We need the actual real number value for x. So how do I find out that? Is I need to plug in that x into the given equation. Okay, so use x equals to negative 5y/12 in given equation. What do you get? Basically, you will get, if you plug in that, you will get, let's plug in that, you will get x squared is negative 5y/12 square, right? And then plus y squared is just y squared equals to 1. That's the given equation, right? So how much is that? 25y squared over 144 plus y squared equals to 1, right? So you need to factor that y squared out. If you take y squared out, what do you get? 25 over 144 plus that is 1, right? Equals to 1. So basically, if you combine this, if you use calculator or just simplify this, there is 1/1. If you make the same denominator, you will get y squared times, that will be 169 over 144 equals to 1. So I need to multiply both sides by 144. So multiply by 144 over 169 times 144 over 169. So what do you get? You multiply by that will cancel out, right? So what you get is basically y square equals to 144 over 169, right? So you need to take square root. If you take the square root, you need to consider both plus and minus, like that. Okay, so y is how much? 12/13 plus and minus. So you got the value of y. Now you need to find out the value of x. How do you find out the value of x? Is you just plug in here. Okay, so we will plug in the value of y to find out x from here. Okay, so let's take y equals to positive 12/13. 12/13. What do you get? You will get x equals to negative 5/12 times y is 12 over 13, right? So you cancel out 12 and 12. So what is negative 5 over 13? So x is negative 5 over 13, and then y is positive 12 over 13. So if you plug in y is negative 12 over 13, you will get negative times negative will be positive. So you will get positive 5 over 13 there. 5 over 13 equals to negative 12 over 13. So that is the final answer. And that's the end of section 2.5. Okay, guys.